So we've had a lot of success with this little Kong to keep this guy entertained for a long time, and that's by hiding a piece of food in there. So if we just give this little dude a piece of food like this Nutro Country peanut butter flavored biscuit, you know, he's happy for a moment or two, and then he's going to come back and want more biscuits right away. So one of the ways with a food motivated pup like this one that we can keep him entertained is to put the little bit of cookie or whatever into the Kong, and there's three bubbles here, and in that first one, if you push it just down in there right, it's going to lodge in there. So if he knew what he was doing, he could bite on this and it would crush that little thing and it would come out and he could eat it. But what he'll end up doing is just playing around with this, getting a little bit aggressive with it, and eventually that thing will fall out, and then he'll get his little piece of kibble. So I get about, it's like a timer. I get maybe 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes before he figures out how to get that little piece of kibble out. So if I want to entertain him even more, I will pull out a piece or two and fill it up. You know, maybe put some dog food in there and a couple of pieces of kibble or a big biscuit or something, and that'll essentially cap the end here. You can throw that on the floor, and it'll take a little while before it all starts to fall apart. But this is a way to keep a food-driven dog entertained. And pretty much, if the food falls out of here, he's eating it. So you don't have to worry about ants or leaving little pieces of food around. Now, if they're not food-driven and they just like eating and chewing on stuff, these Kongs are the way to go. If you ever read the story of Kongs, they're pretty cool. They're made out of decent rubber. I think they're from Colorado, right? They even say on